Inserting pictures. Let's say I want to insert a picture here at the top under the rules. Again, I would highly suggest you keep the area clean. For every topic that you put out, you certainly don't need a picture for it, but I'll leave that up to your discretion. Let's say I go and put that as a label. I insert it as a label. If I go here, I have insert image. I'm going to show you two different ways to do this. One is kind of like the way I wouldn't do it, but you could do it. Let's say I have Google up and I have a picture here of some kind of clip art. Okay, and I see full-size image and I get this. It's got a watermark on it. What I'm going to do is then copy the image location and then go over here and paste it here. For the alternate text, you can type in anything. This is basically the text that you have when you mouse over it. And maybe I want to set that in the middle. Okay. I'll hit OK, and there it is. So where is that file at? Well, that file is located on a server somewhere. Okay, here I'm going to enlarge the editor and show you how to edit this picture around. I can click on it. I can make it smaller if I need to. Okay. Up here is basically all the tools that you'll ever need in life to edit the picture in some manner. And these are my tables, so I don't want to mess around with these. So notice where tables are, and if you want to set up tables ever inside a label, you can. I'll show you maybe that later and what the advantages of. Okay, so now I can minimize that now, and now it looks a little bit nicer. And I can save and return to course. That picture will probably bother me because it's on somebody else's server. So what I'm going to do is delete it and show you the other way to insert. The problem is both ways are correct. Okay, the thing is, sometimes it's more stable to have it on your own server, sometimes it's not. It all depends the actual company hosting. So if it's Jackson Community College Online, sometimes I see their pictures disappearing, when I upload them. So a lot of the pictures I keep on my own private server to upload them, because that way I know where they're at as far as pictures go. And in downtimes, I have the option of, well, in their downtimes, it'll still show up. So now what I'll show you is how to upload the picture. So if I take this picture and save image as, and save it somewhere onto my hard drive. Let's say I save it to the desktop. It's going to be called, not this, it's going to be called something like guy.jpg. So now what I'll go over to Moodle and then go to Files. I'll usually make a folder in here and call it Images. Okay. Now that that's done, I can go over here and add a resource and insert a label. I can go back to inserting an image, and now I have an image folder that I can make. And you notice there's a create folder button here also, so you can go two different ways to get the actual create folder. But now I can browse and go get Guy and hit open and upload. So I'll pick him. Click on him, and it launches it up here. Now you see this is located on JetNet, jcc.edu.file, PHP, and then in some wacky directory somewhere else. So, and you must type in the alternate text. Usually I type in none. Again, I'll probably go in here and size that down. Just a little bit too big for my taste. And there we go. Easy as that. If I need to move this up, I can. Let's say I hit this one. And then I can move it to this topic. Alright, so that is inserting an image in two different ways. Via a website and via an internal server. Alright, on to the next video.